What's your problem?
I didn't say you peed on me. You rolled over and peed on Daddy Mac.
No, I peed on the bed.
You peed on the bed. Where did you pee on the bed?
Why not the middle?
When did you pee on the bed?
This morning.
This morning.
Why did you pee on the bed? How old are you?
4.
4.
Almost.
What
5.
happened? Were you really tired? Huh? Yeah. So Maria had an accident this morning, and it's okay, right?
What?
Because it happens. But why are you crying? You tell them why are you crying.
Yeah, why are you crying?
You tell them. Because Sander took your Rubik's Cube? Are you sure?
Are you sure about that?
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
But what did Daddy Mac, Mama Hazel, Mama Ling, and Daddy Jeff told you? It was in Mama Hazel's room, right?
I was telling the truth.
Are you telling the truth?
Yes.
So do you think Daddy Mac, Daddy Jeff, Mama Hazel, Mama Ling are lying?
Yeah.
Really?
It's not there. I already took it.
It's not there. Are you sure?
Yeah, I already had it.
Well, you tell them. Okay, stop. Okay, settle down. Okay, you gotta breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. So, what? So, tell them what happened first. You saw a Rubik's Cube that's like the same as like yours, right? And then what did you do? Jeff, your phone. Nagsasauna ka rin ka. Mataptapra ka. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, anak ko.
Daddy Mac spit on you?
What did you do to Sander? You grabbed the? You grabbed the from him, and was that right? No. What did I do? What did we do?
They're just telling a lie.
No, you don't know that.
Yeah,
see,
okay.
I'm told.
I do
Say,
know
listen. We do not accuse other people of lying unless you have proof. You understand?
I understand.
Okay. Listen, it's okay. What are we gonna do when we get home?
We'll go to the family and we'll go to Mama Hazel's room.
Okay, we're gonna go to Mama Hazel's room and find that Rubik's Cube. It's there, right?
Yeah.
Right. So if we find that Rubik's Cube in Mama Hazel's room, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna smack.
I'm gonna smack you? I'm gonna smack you. No, I'm not gonna smack you. After that, what are you going to do? If the Rubik's Cube, if it's there, okay, you tell them. You're gonna go and see.
Yeah.
You're gonna go see who? You're gonna go see Sander, right? And what are you going to do?
I saw my Rubik's
No. But like, if we find it in Mama Hazel's room, and we have proven that Sander's Rubik's Cube is not yours, right? You're gonna go apologize and say sorry to everyone. Can you tell us who are those people? It's gonna be Sander. Who else? Mama Hazel, Mama Ling, and Daddy's. Because look at the camera. Because it's not okay to blame other people, okay? And like what I've told you so many times, remember, like there are so many toys that are the same, right?
What?
Right. And it happens that you have the same toy with Sander, right? Right?
What?
So okay, stop crying. We're gonna settle this when we get home, okay?
I was telling the truth.
I know you may be telling the truth, but I am not sure because until we find the other toy if it's in Mama Hazel's room, okay?
Santa took it
No,
from me.
no. She did not. He did not took it from
He
you.
did.
No.
I know what's telling
Okay.
the truth.
Okay, guys. We're gonna go home and find out what happened, okay? So, stop crying, okay? She's really so upset. But it's not okay to blame other kids or blame other people, okay? Okay? Okay.
I told you he took it from me.
Okay, then we will find out. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.